We have finished this radiant hydronic snowmelt and garage heater installation today. It's powered by an IBC 200,000 BTU boiler, Rella hydraulic separator, thermostat, circulator pumps, magnetic separator, XFM full flow manifold, and the expansion tank arm, as well as space heater. These boilers, as I have explained before, when they burn gas, they generate water condensate. That condensation fills up this plastic trap and then goes out and must be drained somewhere. If the boiler is in a cold space, then when it is not in use, the condensation in this trap will freeze and probably freeze up here. It will create a plug, an ice plug. When the next time there is a need for snowmelt, the boiler will start up, condensate will start flowing again, hits this plug, backs right into the boiler. When it fills up with water, the bottom of the heat exchanger sensor is there, it will shut down the boiler. It's a flooded boiler. Now the water inside the boiler will freeze, crack the heat exchanger, and you just voided your warranty. That's why these boilers must be in a heated space. The space must be kept above freezing point. Hence this little hydronic garage heater, the very same boiler, when the snowmelt is not calling, will ensure that the temperatures in here are above freezing point and protecting your boiler. In this case, the condensate just drills through the side wall of the garage and drips out onto the walkway there, which also is heated, so it will not create any dangerous conditions. Plus, it's not much in use. So as far as the manifold location goes, if it goes inside the garage, we have two options. Either we drill out through the bottom of the garage and go to that walkway next to the garage, and then go to the front of the house where the snowmelt system is, or they cut the concrete across, create a channel, and all the pipes exit and go out to the melt area that way. In this case, it comes next to the house. All the pipes converge on the side of the house. And here is the little condensation drip that will, at least when the boiler starts up, be dripping. And here is the little snowmelt area, the steps as well as the driveway. The sensor is embedded, and this will control when and if the snowmelt system will fire up. So when we have a little more headroom than here, we can get very creative with placing the boiler. The boiler can go in the back wall over there, or the garage high enough we can put it out of the way so that it does not interfere with any vehicles. In this garage, unfortunately, the headroom is like 7 feet at best, so we didn't have much choice, having had to mount this pretty low. So this is a basic system. Garage heater, the manifold that feeds the snowmelt, hydraulic separator, automatic snowmelt controller from Tecmar, a thermostat for the garage space heating using the air handler, pump relay box, and the boiler. This boiler is not hooked up to the gas and vent yet. Once it does, we can fire it up and off they go.